Hi everyone, this is Darlene aka D and this is What's D Cooking. Today I am going to be showing you a simple dish from the Philippines, chicken adobo. Super easy dish, 6 ingredients, can't go wrong. And I tell ya, once you have it, you're going to keep making it. If you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions regarding the dish, please leave a message on the comment box and I'll be more than happy to answer your question. So let's get started. What are we waiting for?